Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to do another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where I talk about my top stocks and I talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, today was a good day in the stock market. We have plenty of stocks in the green, and I'm going to share a couple of them with you. In my portfolio, one of the hottest stocks was MGM Grand, which shares were up 17%. Also, Airbnb was up 14%. Now, I believe Airbnb posted good revenue in their earnings call, and that got the stock going. Also, we had Tesla shares rally a little over 5%. SoFi shares rallied 2.78. And SoundHound shares the AI voice authentication software was up over 9.56. And Apple shares were up today. Um, so today's news was a little bit about, Trump and a little bit about earnings, but we did post CPI data on yesterday, and it was not as bad as thought, but we did rally on today. And so let's go take a look at the news, what's happening today. Okay, U.S. and India. This is Prime Minister Modi and Donald Trump meeting at the White House today. How India could grow its nuclear ambitions, um, and also how bilateral trade up to 500 billion could happen in the next 5 years with India. Okay, so Trump's signing sweeping reciprocal tariff plan. He says more is coming. Also, TikTok returns to Apple Store and Google Store, Android Store. Um, what Trump's plan to shut down education department could mean for college student borrowers. Uh, and like I said, today was a great day in the stock market. I think pretty much all the markets rally, whether you were in the S&P 500 index or the Dow or the Nasdaq. Today was a pretty green day in the stock market. Also, Elon Musk in the news as he works closely with the Trump administration. Elon Musk ripped a company for storing government records in a mine. Now, Department of Government Efficiency may give Iron Mountain a boost. Okay, so I do know Iron Mountain because I've worked with government contracts in the past, and they pretty much do a lot of government contract work. So that's an easy call. Iron Mountain's been working with the Department of Defense and other government entities for a long time. So Elon Musk already making excellent moves. Okay, he's just centralizing and consolidating power, and where there's efficiencies, move that business over, okay? Instead of having double the staff or double the amount of companies, he's moving things to more efficiency to better companies into better hands. All right, so next we'll look at my Robinhood portfolio and look at the gains there. Okay, in the Robinhood, we were up $118, up 2.85%. As you can see, the chart uh, creeping up exponentially. And we had shares like Google up 1.63. We had CrowdStrike up 4.17. And Shopify, the e-commerce giant, was up 5.73. Also, you had Coinbase shares rally up 6.88. So we do know Tesla, SoFi, uh, and a few other tech companies were up as well. Looks like Lucid shares, which are trading at $3, were up 12%. That's pretty much a penny stock. But Tesla was hot today, up 4.11%. Again, Elon Musk working closely with the government. We'll have to see what happens with FSD. Hopefully, things continue to go well. Okay, so Tesla shares up over 7.21%. And lastly, we'll go to my Schwab account. Okay, as I mentioned, Tesla was the top stock today, gaining over 5% on the day for a gain of $900. SoFi shares were up 2.84. SoFi shares rallied today, looking great. Also, SoundHound shares up 9.2%, moving from $13 up to $15 per share. Also, Apple shares up 1.97, and NVIDIA shares, the AI juggernaut GPU maker, data share company, is up 3.17. And as I mentioned earlier, MGM Grand Resorts, the property company MGM Grand Resorts, was up 17%. Okay, those are some hot stocks there. Let's quickly look at the losers on the day. There was very few. Delta Airlines was down 3.42. ConocoPhillips down 1.52. Also, Aero Environment was down 3.79. Again, the drones may stock as countries such as Ukraine and Russia look to settle policies. Also, the Gaza Strip is calming down as there's a ceasefire between Hamas and Israel, so that's good news. So the drones may not be needed, and the help from the U.S. because President Trump is working closely with these other countries now. All right, so those were the stocks in the red: Delta, ConocoPhillips, and Marvell Technology, the chip maker. They were all in the red today. But the top stock today was Tesla. Tesla in my portfolio was up 5.74. And then also we had Tesla shares up 5.80, and after hours up another 1.3%, as shown here in the Robinhood. And as you can see, I'm up 56% in my position, a gain of a little over $200 in my position with Tesla and my Robinhood. Okay, so those are the hot stocks today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next one.